Wait a second. Don't scroll. I'm serious. If you can't give me 1 full minute without checking a notification, opening another app, or even thinking about it, you've got a real problem. Let me ask you something simple. When was the last time you did one thing for 20 minutes straight without touching your phone? Can't remember? Or has your brain been rewired to expect something new every 15 seconds? Here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You don't need motivation. Your brain got used to fast hits of pleasure, so fast, normal life now feels painfully slow. A book? Boring. Studying? Heavy. A calm movie? You quit after 10 minutes. Even meditation, prayer, or just sitting alone feels uncomfortable. Why? Because your brain is addicted to the hit. Short video hit, notification hit, like hit, shocking news hit. And without realizing it, you started craving it. The worst part? You think it's normal. You call it modern life. But the truth is, something inside your brain is slowly rotting. And today, we're gonna name it. I can predict your day without knowing you. You wake up. Before your feet hit the floor, your hand grabs your phone. Not for an important message, just because your brain cannot tolerate silence. You open reels, laugh, scroll, scroll, scroll. 7 minutes in, there's this subtle pressure in your chest. Not sadness, not clear anxiety, just a weird feeling you wasted time. You close it. Promise yourself you won't open it again. 30 minutes later, you're back. Why? Let me continue your day. You start studying. First 3 minutes, fine. Minute 4, your brain whispers, just one quick peek. You open your phone. 20 minutes later, you're back. The book feels heavy, focus is harder, effort doubled. At night, you want to improve yourself. Gym, reading, building something. You feel exhausted, even though you didn't do any real effort. That's the core symptom of brain rot. Not just wasted time, but your ability to put in real work is weakening. And the scarier part? You now need stronger stimulation to feel anything. Shorter videos, faster cuts, edgier content, weirder stuff. What was exciting last year? Boring now. What was boring before? You avoid it. Not because you're broken, but because your brain has adapted. Brain rot doesn't happen overnight. It happens through tiny daily repetitions. Every time you escape minor boredom, you teach your brain silence is a threat. Every time you open TikTok mid-study, you break your focus cycle. Every time you choose instant reward over effort, you weaken your patience muscle. And here's the hard truth no one says. It's not just reels. It's not just porn. It's not just games. It's the pattern. Fast stimulation, low effort, instant reward, infinite repetition. Your brain was built to reward you after achievement. Now you get the reward before achievement. What happens next? Dopamine receptors downregulate. Your dopamine baseline drops. The same hit doesn't feel enough, so you escalate. Faster, stronger, more intense. Meanwhile, the things that actually build your future, studying, training, projects, learning, spiritual practice, feel dull, not because they're weak, because they're natural. And here's the scary question. If you can't focus for 20 minutes, how will you build something that takes years? Successful people aren't smarter. They just tolerate boredom better. If you keep this pattern for 3 more years, where will you be? If you don't yet understand dopamine and how it hijacks your focus, motivation, and mood, watch the previous episode. What I'm about to say will only make sense after that. Let's answer the question on your mind. What do these companies gain from me spending 2 hours on their app? Everything. You are not a user. You are attention fuel. Every second your eyes stay on the screen turns into data. Data that gets sold. They're not selling you a product. They're selling your attention to advertisers. The longer you stay, the more they know about you. What you pause on, what you replay, what you interact with, how fast you get bored. The algorithm learns you faster than you learn yourself. Eventually, it doesn't show you what you like. It shows you what keeps you hooked. Extreme content wins. Shocking content hooks. Fast content spikes dopamine. Silence doesn't profit. Long focus doesn't profit. Boredom doesn't profit. Your addiction does. Every extra hour you doom scroll, someone profits. Every drop in your focus, your time becomes more valuable to them. This isn't evil, it's business. But the question, are you okay being fuel for their machine? Here's the solution. Your brain isn't broken, it's plastic. Neuroplasticity, those networks built by bad habits, can be rewired with good ones. Studies show 60 to 90 days of reducing high-intensity stimulation can reset your dopamine sensitivity. Not magic, not instant. But after 90 days, you can return stronger than ever. First hour after waking equals red line. No social media, no short videos. Do something real. Make your bed. Drink water. Move 5 to 10 minutes. Write 3 priorities. Why? First hour sets your dopamine baseline for the day. Rebuild your relationship with effort. Go to the gym. Leave your phone at home sometimes. No headphones sometimes. Feel the weight. Feel the sweat. Feel your breath. Pain teaches your brain. Reward follows effort. Schedule boredom. Walk 15 minutes phone-free. Sit in silence. No podcast. No music. It'll feel weird at first. That's withdrawal. After 2 weeks, your mind feels calmer. Reduce the high spikes. Delete one toxic app. Take 30 days off short-form videos. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Build slow habits. Read 10 pages daily. Strength train 3 to 4 times a week. Deep work, 25 minutes uninterrupted. Daily reflection, prayer, or meditation. Goal isn't perfection. Goal, restore your brain's natural sensitivity. Listen closely. If you close this video and go back to the same habits, nothing changes. In 90 days, you'll be the same person, distracted, procrastinating, feeling like you could be better. But if you start today, in 90 days, your focus sharpens, patience grows, simple things feel rewarding again, control returns. The difference between versions of you equals one choice right after this video. You're not a victim. Stay a consumer or take control. If this hit something you were avoiding, like the video, not for likes, but to wake someone else up. Send it to a friend who always says, I can't focus. Subscribe. Next episode, not the problem, the weapon. How to reclaim elite focus. How to build an iron attention span in an era designed to shatter it. Think getting focus back is impossible? Wait for the next one, because what you'll learn might make you look at your phone very differently. Wake up.